Hi, JP.
Hey, Nopp.
Last time we did the air swing speed test, and I know that I have to use the left leg more to create force.
Absolutely.
But like, I always want to hit like longer than 300 yards for driver.
Yeah.
So I would like to know if I can do that. Is my muscle strong enough?
That's a very good question. You know, we can do some more testing with the force plate. And one of the testing we can do is just to evaluate your muscle potential, just to know if you're able to create a lot of force. And second thing, if you're able to create a lot of force in a short time. As you know, the downswing is only 0.3 seconds, around 0.3 seconds, so it's very short. So you need to express a lot of force in this short period of time. That's what we call the muscular explosiveness.
All right.
So thanks to simple tests like a counter-movement jump, that consists to just go down and up, jump as high as possible and as fast as possible. We can then, with the app and the force plate, measure the quantity of motion you're doing.
Yeah.
So the max force, the impulse, and the rate of force development. That means how fast you're able to reach the maximum force.
Okay.
This characteristic measured with the force plate give you your potential club head speed.
Without me hitting the club, I don't need the club to do the test, right?
No, we don't need the club. We just need to make this jump test. Normally, all the muscle in your body are about the same typology, meaning that if we test only the legs, we know that all your muscle have got this capacity to generate a lot of force or not too many force, a lot of power or not, a lot of speed or not.
Okay, I want to know. Let's do it.
Let's do a jump. So can you please stand up on the force plate?
Okay.
I'm going to measure you there. Just to know exactly where the feet are, please stand heel toe, perfect. So to only check the legs and the extensor muscle, I would like you to put your hands on your waist, very good. And the goal is to jump as high as possible and as fast as possible.
Okay.
And you can land in the front of the plate to not damage them when you're landing back.
All right.
You're ready to go whenever you want. This is perfect. So thanks to that, now looking into the software, we're gonna look at your data.
Yeah.
And if you come to the education, you're going to know some numbers we're looking for, and these numbers will reveal are you strong or not strong.
Yeah.
In your case, here is the graph or the vertical force when you jump. So you go down first, then up. We measure the area under the curve. So we've got negative impulse, positive impulse. And then we look at numbers, how much you generate maximum impulse, positive impulse, meaning how much you push up. We consider numbers between 300 and 350 to be in the medium average. And in your case, we are 419, meaning you're creating a lot of force. So potentially the 300 yards are possible.
Wow.
The second test is to know if you use that quickly or not quickly. So we normalize that number by the time. And by the time, we know by 700 to 900, you're in the average again. And your number is over 1,000.
Wow.
So once again, that means you've got good force and good explosiveness. So potentially, I would say, yes, you can reach the 300 yards. If the technique is perfect, you've got the capacity with your muscles to do it.
I'm happy now to go to the driving range and hit 300 yards.
There's some
That's
work,
possible.
but that's possible. That's not
Thank
the
you.
limit for you.
Thank you, JP.